invited Stefan to our manufacturing site in Shenzhen, China, to allow him a real-life comparison with the Putzbrunn manufacturing site in Germany, which he has visited some time before. Also, we organized a discussion with the local environmental protection agency, just as a background of what are the issues in China today from an environmental perspective.
Global companies like Gore work together with the authorities. I think that's the only way how it can function. The authorities are willing and they absolutely see the need to do something also for the environment and for the sustainability, because they know that it's important for their life and for the future of the next generations. It was very interesting to see that they fulfill the same standards like in the German plants.
So at all our manufacturing sites, no matter if they are in China or in Germany or America, we run air filtration devices according to state of the art. There's no legal requirement to do so, but we believe it's the right thing to do. So we have that everywhere we are manufacturing our fabrics.
It was surprising to see in which consequence they act over there.
Our workers, our associates, are basically the biggest asset we have. That tells us to be very fair to our people and to give them the best possible working conditions, because we know they are most productive if we treat them fairly.
Gore-Tex has a role function there because environmental standards are very high, not just here in Germany by Gore, all over the world it's the same standard. Shenzhen, for that, it's absolutely a role model.
We had Blue Sign Technologies coming into our manufacturing site in Shenzhen basically to prove that we work against these Blue Sign standards. That means that they have defined high environmental goals, which everyone has to meet who wants the Blue Sign certification for their products. So this is, for example, air emission control, this is wastewater treatment, this is the chemicals we use to make our products, and last not least, chemically safe workplaces.
With the approach by fair means, we try to minimize our ecological footprint as much as possible and to save the nature. And exactly that I expect from my partners as well.
So life cycle assessment is a scientific method we apply to learn where we can improve environmentally from a product perspective, but also as an organization. On the one hand, we ask our suppliers to work with Blue Sign because we know that reduces their environmental burden. On the other side, we are trying to save energy and water consumption in our manufacturing.
The Chinese authorities are very interested to get the knowledge how to protect the environment and the nature as much as possible.
It's really clear that the future, at least from an environmental perspective, is in really good cooperation. So we have to use the same tools. Industry has made the first step to develop this Higg Index, and we would hope that the government support this work and actually use the Higg Index for their law making. We believe that would really be a powerful boost for the environmental future. It became pretty clear that if you work with the right partners, if you have a good corporate culture, you can produce very sound and with high standards also in China. It's not that automatically it happens, but you have to take care and then you have good conditions.